We're not just in the last stretch of the year, we're in the realistic last stretch because let's be honest, we don't really have all the days on the calendar left. Think about it. Between fall activities, football games, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and all the little breaks and parties in between, the number of true workdays left shrinks fast. And if you're not paying attention, you'll blink and it'll be January, wondering where the time went. That's why today I want to show you how to finish strong with a quarterly housekeeping audit and how to time block what's left so you actually move the needle. Hey there, and welcome back to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie. Every Thursday, we dive into strategy, mindset, and CEO moves to help you grow with clarity and focus. Today, I'm walking you through how to do a quarterly housekeeping audit. And we're not stopping at your email list. We talked about that last week. I'm going to show you 3 areas to audit before the year ends, why it matters when you look at the actual number of days left, and how to use time blocking to protect the time you do have. Here's the thing. If you look at the calendar, you might think you've got plenty of time left this year, but let's get real. On average, between now and the end of December, people take off around 10 to 15 days for holidays and family events. Add in Saturdays and Sundays where you may not be working, but some of us, like I'm guilty, tend to work all the time. That's about 35 more days. Sprinkle in fall sports, football games, pumpkin patches, Christmas shopping, and school events, easily another 5 to 10 days gone. So while the calendar says there are roughly 110 plus days left, your actual focused work days are more like 50 to 60 days max. That's not meant to stress you out, really, it's not. It's meant to help you see why focus matters. If you don't block time now, the holidays and life will eat it up for you. Here's where you start. Finances. Beginner, check your bank account and expenses, what's coming in and what's going out. Intermediate, run a profit and loss report, compare against your goals. Advanced, forecast Q4, what do you realistically need to sell, and how is that set up for Q1 of next year? Offers and delivery. Write down your offers. Are they still what you want to sell? Intermediate, audit client delivery system. Is onboarding smooth? Are you over-delivering or undercharging? Advanced, align your offers with the season. What can you sell in Q4 that makes sense, and what can you prep for now for a January launch? Content and systems. Beginner, look at your content calendar. Do you have one? If not, start. Intermediate, audit your repurposing systems. Is content going out everywhere consistently? Advanced, batch, and automate. Schedule campaigns now so you're not scrambling during the holidays. Now here's the key. Once you've done your audit, it doesn't matter unless you block time to act on it. Here's how to time block for the rest of the year. You know me, I always protect the family and personal things first. So mark all known holidays and breaks first. Protect your family time and celebrations. Identify your true work weeks. How many weeks are actually left? How many hours do you have to dedicate to work and projects? Block 2 to 3 power sessions each week. These are distraction-free, non-negotiable work blocks for your big priorities. Theme your days. Example, Mondays for CEO dashboard and planning, Tuesdays for tech, Wednesdays for wins and community, Thursdays for strategy, Fridays for Q&A and client delivery. Sound familiar? 5, protect the blocks like appointments. If it's not on the calendar, it's non-negotiable. This isn't about cramming more into less time. It's about being intentional with the time that you have left. You don't need 110 more days to finish strong. You need 50 to 60 focus days where you're working on the right things. That's what quarterly housekeeping and time blocking gives you: clarity, focus, and momentum. If you want support building these systems and staying accountable through Q4, join us inside Business Growth Society community. The free community is open right now. And if you want first access when VIP doors reopen, send an email to heythere@Gabbie and Company, Gabbie and Company.com with the subject line VIP Waitlist. I'll make sure you're the first to know. Because at the end of the day, it's not about having more time. It's about using the time you already have to create your version of success.